Hello guys, thanks for watching. I'm actually recording this video because I'm going to have my COVID-19 test this morning, and I would like to share my thought, my opinion about this pandemic actually, and what being viral in worldwide, talking about how Malaysia managing or encountering these pandemics. And in these videos you guys gonna see my own judgment evaluation about how Malaysian actually encountering these pandemics. And actually my story of COVID-19 is start yesterday, where I get a call from the Ministry of Health Malaysia. It's because on the 5th of last month, actually I have a contact with one of the positive COVID-19 patients, and even it's already passes months, but we are still urged to come over and to do the COVID-19 test. And to be honest, actually that is pretty impressive, because you know, our government are trying hard to do the best as they can to stop the change of the COVID-19. So in this video also you're gonna see if I'm able to capture the moment after this. You're gonna able to see how the Ministry of Health is doing the jobs, how the procedures and everything. But if I'm not able to record it along the way, I'm gonna just maybe capture a little bit, a few pictures which I could, and you guys can see it. And anyway, there's two types of the COVID-19 tests in my country, where it is a walk-in, and also is we call it a drive-through, where you don't need to come out from the car and they will do the test while you are inside the car. And that is super efficient actually, because it can avoid more risk and reduce the risk, I mean. And yeah, anyway, this video is only about my opinion again, and please do not make any judgment. I'll see you guys soon while we're reaching the place. So as you can see, while my way to the center for COVID-19 test, there was a enforcement police doing the roadblock to make sure that people movement is for reasons. And yeah, this is how Malaysia do their work. Thumbs up to Malaysian government. Thumbs up. So I'm just reached the testing place, and there's a lot of car queuing.
Yes, pandu lalu.
Oh,
Okey, ikut tandaan tu ah. Di belakang ni.
betul tu ah, Viva tu.
Okey.
Okay.
Okey.
Saya-
Ikut belakang bos ah.
Alright. There's a lot of car actually, so they asked me to follow this car to the COVID-19 drive-through test. I'm a little bit nervous actually. Yeah. So as you can see, there's a few tents outside of the, well, we call it the hall. And everyone is wearing their suit. Drive thru macam mana bang? Drive
Kita bergaris di luar kita.
Apa naknya jauh? Ikut motor Tok Viva ni oh.
Kita lah itu dah start malam tu.
Ha?
Kita dah start malam tu.
Jangan jauh kami ikut motor tu.
Tak lah. Kita ikut kita bergaris di luar nanti belakang.
Oh, okay. Alright. It's actually wrong. I have to do a queue again. Misunderstanding, but it's okay actually. I think this one I need to follow this queue. Seems that there's a lot of people coming in for the COVID-19 test. So we have to wait. Here's the place. It's very big. Congratulations to the Ministry of Health.
So I guess this working time is gonna be like maybe half an hour. But we understand that not a lot of people coming here for a test. But there's a lot.
So actually for the drive-through, the procedure is actually there's first stages where the medical officer will check your name. You see it on the list because although it's drive-through, they are calling actually all the suspect first, so it should be our name is on the list. So it's quite efficient, and looking at the you know the situation, how it works, it's not really convenience. They have to wear the covers, the full body covers, and the temperature was really actually is really high. So I guess this is my turn. So the officer check my name. Mirul.
Mirul Hafif. Okay.
So they just asking my names. Yeah, perhaps it's included in the list. And the temperature now is really high, so I guess they must be really, you know, not feeling very convenient. Must be really hot out here, very humid. As you can see, this is the the third stage where they will do the test, and you can see there's a medical officer doing the test, and the patient is just, the suspect is just on the stay in the car. I hope everything's going to be okay after this, and I have to stay at home for 14 days and take care of my social distancing with others. So I'm waiting for my turn. This is the last stage, the third stage. As you can see, the suspects, the COVID suspects, just staying in the car, or we call it person under investigation, just staying in the car while the medical officer is just doing the job. So hopefully everything's will be okay after this. Hopefully Malaysia, we can control these pandemics, so all around the world. To adjust the car really in front of them. So it's my turn, guys.
Ada batuk sesama kah?
Sudah.
Sudah. Ya. Ada batuk sesama sih? Tak boleh.
Car. That is hilarious. Shit. But it's not pain at all actually. It's not pain at all. It's just not really convenience. Guys, this was scary, but it's not pain. So don't forget to wash your hand with sanitizer every time you touch anything. So I'm waiting for the results. I mean, it takes about 4 days or 5 days perhaps. So that is it. So I hope that you guys can learn something from these videos, and hope we can fight with the pandemics worldwide and in Malaysia especially. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up.